Yes, and start. The appellants are aggrieved by an award dated 12th September 1988 passed by the Learned Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal within bracket MACT in suit number 97/1982 stop. Shrimati Shakuntala Devi died in an accident caused by the rash and negligent driving of a vehicle by respondent number 1 stop. The accident took place on 26th July 1982 and she died the next day stop. At the time of her death, she was a housewife aged about 36 years stop. Her husband and children filed a claim petition seeking compensation under section the provisions of Motor Vehicles Act 1939 bracket the Act stop Pehra. The learned MACT held respondent number 1 guilty of rash and negligent driving and thereby causing the death of Shrimati Shakuntala Devi stop. As regards the compensation to be awarded, the learned MACT relied upon Bhagwan Das Bhatia versus Anand Pal 1986 ACJ 879 wherein a housewife aged about 53 to 54 years died in an accident in September 1976 stop. A learned single judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court estimated that her contribution to the household could not be less than rupees 2500 per annum stop. On this basis, the High Court awarded a sum of rupees 30,000 as compensation, taking into consideration the ever increasing cost of incidental services stop. Following this reasoning, the learned MACT took the pecuniary value of the services rendered by the deceased housewife to her household at rupees 2500 per annum stop. Adopting a multiplier of 16, the learned MACT awarded as sum of rupees 40,000 as compensation with interest at 12% per annum from the date of filing the claim petition till payment stop. There is no grievance with regard to the choice of the multiplier, but according to the appellants, the contribution taken is far too low stop. It is submitted that her contribution is much more than rupees 2500 per annum determined by the learned MACT stop Pehra. The question that therefore arises in a case such as the present is what is the amount of compensation that is due and payable in respect of the death of a housewife who has no apparent source of income stop Pehra. Long ago in Berry versus Hem and Company, the plaintiff claimed damages for the death of his wife by the negligence of the defendant's servants stop. According to the plaintiff, he had to employ a housekeeper to look after all the work in the house and also to look after his child stop. Damages at that time were based solely on compensation for pecuniary loss, either on the loss of such contribution in the past or the loss of a reasonable expectation of pecuniary benefit in the future stop.